morning everybody! Today we're in Ho Chi Minh Airport flying to Da Nang. That airport is famous for confiscating drones. Guess what I have in my... There are two checks that I have to pass. One at this airport and one at Da Nang airport. If I pass those, I'm good to go. We passed the first security check, no questions asked about the drone, and we got chocolate! Chocolate! This is the first time we see chocolate bars in Asia. One last check to go through and we're okay. We are outside the Da Nang airport, nobody checked our bags, nobody had any issue with our drone. We still have 3 hours until we can check into our hotel, so this is the perfect time to enjoy a little bit of sun. Now let me tell you what happened with the drone and why we didn't got it confiscated. Apparently when you take a domestic flight in Vietnam, you don't go through customs, and that's why our luggage wasn't checked and our drone is still with us. But if you take an international flight, your drone will be confiscated. However, some people say that you will get it back when you leave the country if you're using the same airport that you used when getting in. The scooter that's pretty old, only has one mirror, the engine doesn't start properly, but if you give it some gas it will. I hope it will get us to that statue. Thankfully our scooter worked and we got to the statue. Now we're heading home. No more gas. It was more than 2 kilometers until the nearest gas station, but I'm here now. This is what happens when you don't put gas in your newly rented scooter. I think it's working now. The day ends with a well-deserved banh mi. The best sandwich in the world.